Need to visualize lots of data interactively, but your charts are boring and just not fast enough?
What the? They have real-time medical charts, trading charts, business charts, 3D charts, engineering charts. What?
Industry leaders across the world are already using LightningChart to maximize the user experience in their data visualization applications. LightningChart comes with the world's fastest charting controls for desktop, web, and mobile app development. LightningChart, the fastest and most stunning charts.